All right, look at this. Here we have an Apollo 11 token. Look at that. Isn't that something? See, Apollo 11. Armstrong. Aldrin. And Collins. Alright, so it's them three. And Apollo 11. Nice token. Alright, I'm keeping it in there just to preserve it. Because this is, oh, it has some writing on it. Apollo 11. Okay. Mission manned lunar landing rocket. Saturn V. 1969. All right. Well, there we go. Alright, hope you've enjoyed looking at this Apollo 11 token. I didn't know they had made tokens, so it was really nice to find this one in an auction find. Cool. Alright, bye-bye now.